as you mentioned, Detroit average price is up to $4.25 a gallon today. It's up about 23 cents from a week ago. We're seeing this ripple effect and increase across the state of Michigan, really much of the Great Lakes. A lot of it has to do with continued rise in oil, which is now $15 a barrel higher than where it was about 2 weeks ago, combined with the fact that gasoline inventories continue to decline. That's been true as well with diesel. You probably noticed the price of diesel is well over $5 a gallon now, as diesel inventories are at their lowest level in over 30 years. So a continuation of a rise in oil, a switch to summer gasoline, and refiners that are trying to keep up with demand, all of that is pushing gasoline prices back up.
Any way of knowing if this is going to continue going up?
I think there certainly is more upside risk right now than downside risk because inventories don't look to improve anytime soon. We've seen gasoline and diesel inventories declining basically from the start of the year. And of course, now the EU is likely to move ahead with the sanction against Russian oil. That's going to further widen the imbalance between supply and demand, essentially by cutting off Russia's oil supply from the global market. And that probably will cause prices to continue staying high or even go higher than they are today. Around Metro Detroit has a lot of different prices. Some of the lowest prices, well, 370s and 380s. But if you're not shopping around, you could spend $4.30 or $4.40 a gallon. But beyond shopping around, signing up for a free loyalty program that can help save you a few cents off at stations that offer it. Some stations have cash discounts. But I think lastly, perhaps more significantly, simply slowing down a little bit, driving 5 or 10 miles an hour less on the interstate can dramatically raise your fuel efficiency. And that certainly can have the effect of saving you 50 cents, as much as 75 cents a gallon by extending the amount of miles you get out of every tank.